Hello there! Good morning! Welcome to Boracay Island! In this week video, I will tour you in Boracay famous place for foodie, DMALL Avenue. Let's find out what's new in Boracay DMALL, what restaurants, pasalubong shop, and other establishment we can see from here. Let's see what items or pasalubong we can buy here. Are you ready? If you are ready, then let's start this walk tour. Welcome to my channel. I'm here and I'm Leah. Hello guys, today we are on our way to DMALL area for our lunch and to unwind and see things or pasalubong to buy for our families and friends. For those who doesn't know, DMALL Avenue is situated in Station 2 where a lot of shop, restaurants, and establishments are located. This place is much livelier at night, so if you are in Boracay, don't forget to check out this place. By the way guys, if you like travel videos, tips, and advice, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. If you forgot to bring hat, bag, shirt, sunblock, some snacks, and toiletries, you can shop here. I also find some fruits and vegetable stand here. Aside from regular restaurants, you can see food stall that offers meal, dessert, and drinks like milk tea on the go. If you are looking for pasalubong, there's a lot of items to choose from here like shirt, bracelet, anklet, figurines, home decors, necklace, keychain, rep magnet, scarf, and other accessories. There's really a lot to choose from. In terms of food, they have a lot of food and restaurants option here, from Filipino food, Indian, Mediterranean, Middle Eastern, Italian, Western, and Mexican cuisine. I also see some seafood restaurants here and coffee shop. O diba ang daming pagpipilian? It's really up to you what food you like to try. From this place, we tried nonis for delicious Filipino cuisine, little touch for Indian food like tikka masala and biryani, and Don Vito for Italian pizza. Those food that we tried are really great. This is another good remembrance from Boracay. O diba, you can have painting souvenir from here. Aside from souvenir items, you can have hair braids, henna tattoo, and massage in this area. All these things you can find in Station 2 of White Beach. So I think if you are going here in Boracay, don't forget to visit this area. You have a lot of things to see and explore in this place. Let's have a walk here in Station 2 of Boracay White Beach. Ang ganda talaga ng beach ng Boracay. Aside from its very white fine sand, the water here is so clear and clean. Also guys, in this place you can see hair braids, henna tattoo, and massage services here. While walking, you might also encounter some person offering you some activities like island hopping, kayaking, paddleboarding, helmet diving, and parasailing. Also, here in Station 2, you can find a lot of restaurants to choose from. Now we are heading to Don Vito for our lunch. We will gonna try their Italian pizza. They say that it's one of the best pizza here in Boracay. Now we finally arrived. We will gonna have our lunch here. Anyway guys, I hope you like this video for today, and I hope I gave you good information regarding DMALL and Station 2 in Boracay White Beach. If you like travel videos like this, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment out your best experience in Boracay Island. Till next time guys, take care and God bless. Thank you for watching. Bye!